I just got a special gift that's arrived from Dior, and I was on the phone on a conference call at the time, so I was like, wait, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna open it on camera so you guys can see too. What have I done? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's from the Dior fashion team. This is so beautiful. I'm guessing these are little things to hang on the tree, I'm guessing. They're little like tree ornaments. Obviously it's past Christmas now because I missed their delivery. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I missed the Dior delivery. So yeah, that's why it's late, but oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna open this first. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Oh, little Christian Dior bracelets in the fabric. I saw these yesterday online. This is so lovely. Oh, I did not expect a gift. Beautiful. They are so cute. And then this gift arrived. Wow. Paolo Reversi Dior images. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful book. It's like an interactive style book. How fun. That is so nice. I did not expect a gift from Dior, so this is just the loveliest thing to receive. Thank you very much, Dior. Yay, yay, yay. I just had my, one of my sale items came through. They're all kind of coming in drips and jabs, obviously, because sales were so massive that they've got a huge backlog of people that have ordered. So, my blazer just came. Let me put on the light. My new blazer just arrived, so I just paired it with this outfit just to kind of see what I was feeling with the vibes. See what the vibes were. And I like it a lot. Just a very kind of me outfit. White tee, blue trousers, my Dior heels, and the blazer. I really like it a lot, and I think it will be really, really wearable for a lot of different occasions. You may have seen me talking about the fact that I want to get loads of suits this year. I'm really into, I mean, I've always loved tailoring, but I really want to like grow my very tailored collection this year. So I've got loads of beautiful blazers and suits and trousers especially. I'm trying to get a little bit away from jeans because they're like my go-to, and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and go for something a bit more put together. So this is my brand new blazer. It was like, I think it's like 50% off or 40% off, Stella McCartney. Isn't it pretty? And the fabric is super lovely. So yay! 4 out of 5 hits so far. I'm still waiting on one more item to come from Max Mara, and then that's it. So pleased. Back from the gym and had a really, really, really good session today. I did loads of kind of leg things. Loads of leg things. Yeah, just loads of leg workouts using all the different machines and cable machines. I was absolutely shattered by the end of it, to be honest. Headed to Tesco, got some bits in, and Alex is now waking us. He's now making us dinner. I think Alex has made dinner for the past like 7 nights in a row, but don't tell him. But I just really wanted avocado toast tonight with some crab, so Alex is doing that. Did I also say, by the way, that I'm doing dry January this month? Potentially also into February. I'm also giving up dairy, and obviously meat. I haven't eaten meat in 2 years, but I'm giving up dairy as well. Just eating the odd little bit of fish here and there, in case anyone was wondering. Yeah, so that's what we're having for dinner. This is extremely sore. It looks sore and it is extremely sore. Ooh. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's been taking him a while, so I hope it's like the best ever.
Excuse me.
Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday. Only just checking in now because my camera battery has been on charge up until this point. It's nice to have a full face of makeup on today. I'm kind of back into full work mode, which is exciting. I am filming today. I mean, I've got a couple of videos in mind to potentially film, but I think, I don't know, time's getting on now, and I do want to go to the gym in a bit, so I might only have time to film one video, which will be going up on Sunday. And we've just been taking some pictures and getting some bits, some like deadlines done. So yeah, so I just thought I'd quickly check in and say hey, let you know what's going on. The storm is in full brewing mode. So loud last night, the storm that was going on. There's a massive tree outside my bedroom window, which we thought was going to come through the window at one point because it was just so crazy. But we're all good. It's just quite noisy outside, so hopefully my filming goes all right. But it's exciting to try out my new lighting equipment for once. Yeah, like I said, it's been 5 years since I got new lights, so hopefully the lighting will be better in this video. I'm going to be filming like a wrap up of the year in terms of my favourite things of the year. I do it every year and I wasn't going to do it this year, but I've been watching a few this morning and really enjoying them, and I was like, do you know what, I might do that. So I've just gone around the house, gathered together all my favourite things, and yeah, I'll be putting that together now. So hopefully You'll have seen that. If not, I'll leave it linked up on the screen for you to go see. Yeah, I will see you in a bit, I guess. It is now hours later and we're about to watch something on Netflix, and we've got Wagamamas. Obviously, because of Alex's amazing broth he made the day, I wanted that again, but Alex wouldn't make it, so instead we've gone to Wagamamas, and I've got the closest.
What are you making me out? And Alex wouldn't make it.
Alex wouldn't make it, and so we've got the closest thing to it.
How many times have you cooked this week?
A couple of times.
How many times have you cooked?
Oh shush. I haven't really checked in much today because I've been filming, we've been taking some different pictures for projects. I have, however, taken off my makeup because this is getting mad, so that's why I look like this. What are we going to watch, babe?
I have no idea, I hate this.
I know, I do every time we come to it, like, what do we watch? Then we spend 15 minutes working out what to watch while the food goes cold.
What do you think we should watch?
Why don't we get things ready beforehand? Yeah, you just stick it on. Big band's always good. Hey guys, good morning. It's Thursday morning and we're going to the gym. We're doing a morning gym session today. I've got a few things on the agenda later, so we're getting it out of the way now. I have been, I've been upping my skincare game in the hopes of battling this beast. I spoke with Caroline Hirons last night. If you know Caroline, she's like the skincare guru. She's such an expert on everything skincare. She's amazing. She has her own blog. She's got a YouTube channel. She's so clued up. If you need any help with skincare, go have a look at her blog. She will have probably answered the question on there. Anyway, I texted her last night and was like, Caroline, I have a beast growing in my face. What do I do? So she said, in case any of you guys are in this predicament right now, she said to use an acid over the face. So I cleanse first, then I use an acid. So let me show you what I used whilst you're here. Whilst there's not much else to show you today. So I'm really getting into DCL right now. So I use the cleanser first off from DCL. Then I use these, which I'm really enjoying right now. I've used them a few times recently. The DCL Multi-Action Penta Peels. And it's a load of pads, like pads that are soaked in acid. And you literally, after you've cleansed, you just wipe it all over your face for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you wash it all off, and it'll just help to kind of create a very soft peel on the face to just kind of take off that, just like exfoliate any dead skin off. So that hopefully opened it up, and then I just literally doused it in Kiehl's Benign Recovery Oil last night, and then I put an amazing like DCL serum on, this vitamin C serum, and then I put on their peptide cream after, and honestly my skin today feels incredible. A lot of all the blemishes that I've had recently are very much smaller today. It's just this one. But it's feeling better, like it doesn't hurt anymore today, which is good. But the rest of my skin feels amazing, so I'm hoping I'm going to keep using this DCL every day. I'm not going to use anything else. I'm just going to use this DCL routine that I've got. Back from the gym, and we just had a little stop off at Pret. I heard the other day that Pret just released some new vegan stuff, so we went and figured we'd try it, seeing as it was on the way. It's really nice, isn't it? It's really nice. This is like a coconut dal, coconut cauliflower dal. Delish.
It's really good, and I want to find the recipe for it. I want to make it. It doesn't seem like it'd be too complicated.
Tastes a little bit like my curry in a way. Yeah, a little bit of lunch, then I need to get ready. I'm going for a fitting at Dior today because, I'm not mentioning yet, but in a few days I'm going to Iceland with Dior. A very exciting trip, so I need some lovely things to wear. So I'm going into Dior to pick up some lovely things. That's the order of the day, and then we're going out later for dinner. Okay, very quick getting ready. I'm a little late now for my appointment. We're going to nip out quickly and also try and take some blog post pictures. So I've decided to wear all of my new amazing sale buys. I'm very excited. So I've got my beautiful new Valentino bag, my new Stella McCartney jacket, my new boots. You'll see it all on the blog soon though. In fact, if it's already up on the blog, I'll leave it linked on the screen for you. Back in the house. Me and Alex has been out doing the photo shoot, and now I've lost all feeling in these two. You can see the difference in colour in these two fingers because I've completely lost feeling in them. We've put all the heating on. I've got a warm top on, cardigan, trying to get a bit warmer. I don't even know how those pictures have turned out because it's so windy. Oh, my hands are so cold. So I'm just going to make a little bit of food, try and warm up. Freezing. Okay, quick rush back into London. I am taking my managers out tonight for a little meal. We're going to Bob Bob Ricard for the evening. I haven't been here in years. Really excited about it. So hoping they're already here because we're a little bit late. So festive. This is real restaurant goals. This is the most adorable little dish. This is a crab and avocado with chili and some sort of consomme thing here. We're going to be sharing this though, so better order something else, Alex.
Yeah, man, tell me about it.
Looks delicious! Dish number 2. We've both gone for the cod and the carrots, and look at these little fries. The aesthetics in this place are just so pretty. I love this pink. We've had the nicest night. So much delicious food. I love it here. They have the little press for champagne buttons. Although I didn't press for champagne because I am on dry January and trying to be good. We've had such a nice night though. And we're back in the house after a wonderful meal. I am so full. I have actually had to like undo my jeans because my stomach was not happy. But absolutely delicious food. We had such a lovely night. And I just quickly thought I'd show you a few things. I haven't had a chance to go into Gleam in the last few days. So my manager kindly brought with her some things from my PO box, sort of like imminently things that she knew that I'd potentially want to use the next few days. So I thought I'd quickly show you some of the things that she brought me. First thing is from Dior. It's a beautiful little pink scarf. I saw that they'd kindly sent Amelia one of these little scarves as well recently, and I got such FOMO. Like, it's so pretty. And they've very kindly sent me one also, which is beautiful, gorgeous, and it'll look really cute in my hair as well. Actually, I'm really enjoying having bandanas in my hair at the moment. And that comes with 3 little mini Miss Dior's Eau de Parfum, Blooming Bouquet, and Absolutely Blooming. Very cute indeed. Dior also sent me a candle. Gosh, wow, the smell from this smells insane. Oh, that's so, wow, look how beautiful. That smells absolutely beautiful. The Bougie Parfumé scented candle, Lily of the Valley. Wow, that is so special. Wow, wow, wow. Then I got 2 of the Tom Ford fragrances. This one is the effing fabulous one, and this is the brand new Vanille Fatale, which I'm very excited about. I am also very excited about this one. I remember hearing about this one and be like, oh, such a funny name. I love vanilla smells. Wow, okay, I like it, I like it, I like it. This is gorgeous. That is like, that kind of like an iconic style Tom Ford fragrance, and that like really deep, musky kind of woody tones that Tom Ford often have, but then with vanilla mixed in. That is so sexy. That is literally like super date night sexy smell. Men and women could both wear that. Beautiful, I like that a lot. So this one's effing fabulous. And it's a full matte black bottle with a white label. Wow, Alex is gonna love this. This is a real like sexy man smell. A little bit more kind of fresh and masculine. Almost like fresh showered man. Alex is going to love that. That's definitely going to be Alex's new scent. I can tell he's going to want that. Oh, also look at this. Tommy Hilfiger sent me this insane metallic biker jacket. It's metallic blue and silver. Can I pull this off? Do you think I can pull this off? It's super unusual. I feel like somewhere in between, like, it's definitely giving me like Elvis vibes, I'll be honest. Like super cool, like almost like rock and roll. Thank you so much, Tommy Hilfiger. Also, I got this incredible dress from Maje. How pretty is this? Doesn't that sound like a mesh? It's got lipsticks and hearts and slight Dior vibes to it. So I might wear this on my trip next week. That is so beautiful. I'll leave a link if I can find that. Last but not least, I also got a few new things through from Next. Look how beautiful this jacket is. It's a suede in a really gorgeous rust colour, and it's not too cropped. Like usually when I get these kind of suede jackets, they can be quite cropped, but this one's got a really kind of longer length to it. The suede is absolutely beautiful. Like the quality's gorgeous on it. It's still got all the covers and all the zips. This ribbing down the shoulder pads. How lovely is that? And I also picked up a couple of summer dresses, just for any kind of like summery trips I've got coming up. Thought it would be amazing, and I've got some really pretty summer dresses. Look how gorgeous this is in the red. It goes around the sleeves. That's beautiful. Can't wait to wear that. And then this one, again, was just so summery. In fact, it's the exact same style. Have I actually chosen the same style accidentally twice? Never mind. This one's in a white lace again with the sleeves and little buttons all the way down. So pretty, easy with sandals. Yeah, so absolutely amazing things in my PO box. Thank you very much to the amazing brands who sent me some things. That's so nice. This is starting to show through my cake of concealer. Better go get that off my face. Anyway, Alex is already in bed, so I'm going to take off makeup and get in bed with him, I think. And then tomorrow I don't actually have anything on, so I'm just going to literally work on blog posts, work on the video that I recorded the other day, tidy up a bit, do some errands, and yeah, gear up for next week when we're starting travelling again.